Hello you beautiful peeps, my name's John, welcome to my channel. This is the Rolarlo XD-KJ006 and these are the two controllers, old and new. If you've seen my previous videos, you'll know that there is an issue with the transmission distance on this. But I may have to make an apology to Rolarlo, not Rolarlo, Rolarlo, because it could just be something as simple as the batteries. So I have bought brand new batteries, non-rechargeable for this test. So what we're going to do, we're going to put these in, these are fully charged, into the old controller and drive it as far as it will go. Once there, we will swap the batteries around, put the new non-rechargeable batteries in, and then see if we can drive any further. Okay, let's see how far we get with the rechargeable batteries. That's it. We are out, ladies and gents. So, can you just stand by the side of that, sweetheart? Old batteries, gone. New batteries. Excuse me, I have to go and turn that off and back on. We're okay. So, let's see. That is very intermittent. Right. We have now proved the fact it's not batteries, so you can stop commenting on that. It has gone 2 meters further. That could just be that these give it a little bit more juice, but can I control it to bring it back? No, nothing. Okay, so we proved it. Sorry, Rolarlo, I wanted to be able to offer you an apology, but I just can't. I think I may be unfair. So, thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you next time. Take care, stay safe. Bye-bye.